Wild boars, also known as feral hogs, have become one of the most destructive invasive species in the United States. With an estimated 6 to 9 million animals spread across more than 35 states, their numbers are growing at an alarming rate. A single sow can produce 2 litters a year, with 4 to 6 piglets on average, and survival rates are high due to their adaptability and lack of natural predators. This rapid reproduction means that even if 70% of the population is removed annually, their numbers can still bounce back. The economic damage they cause is staggering. According to the USDA, wild boars are responsible for over $2.5 billion in damage each year nationwide. Much of this is inflicted on agriculture. They root through fields, uprooting crops like corn, soybeans, peanuts, rice, and wheat. Their powerful snouts and tusks tear up the soil, destroying young plants and exposing roots. Farmers in heavily affected states report entire sections of fields ruined overnight. In Texas alone, annual losses are estimated at hundreds of millions of dollars. Their impact goes beyond crops. Wild boars damage fences, irrigation systems, and pasture land. They compete with livestock for feed, contaminate water sources, and spread diseases such as swine brucellosis and pseudo-rabies, which threaten both farm animals and wildlife. They also destroy native habitats, uprooting vegetation and displacing ground-nesting birds, reptiles, and small mammals. This makes them not just an agricultural problem, but a major ecological threat. Understanding their behavior explains why they're so difficult to control. Wild boars are highly intelligent and adaptable. They are primarily nocturnal in heavily hunted areas, feeding and moving under the cover of darkness to avoid human detection. Their diet is omnivorous: crops, roots, insects, small animals, and even carrion, giving them the ability to survive in almost any environment. They travel in family groups called sounders, which can range from a few individuals to over 20, making their feeding damage concentrated and devastating. Hunting has become one of the primary tools for managing wild boar populations. Skilled hunters use a variety of methods: aerial hunting from helicopters, ground-based rifle and bow hunting, and night operations with thermoscopes. While hunting alone cannot fully solve the problem, because reproduction outpaces removal rates, it remains a critical part of an integrated management strategy. When combined with large-scale corral trapping, habitat modification, and public reporting of sightings, hunting significantly slows population growth and prevents further spread. Many states encourage year-round hunting of wild boars with no bag limits. This not only reduces their numbers but also raises public awareness of the severity of the problem. Landowners often partner with professional hunters to protect their property, while wildlife agencies monitor population trends to focus control efforts in high-damage zones. The fight against wild boars is ongoing, and success requires persistence. Every animal removed means fewer crops destroyed, fewer diseases spread, and less strain on native ecosystems. For farmers, hunters, and wildlife managers, controlling wild boars is not just sport. It's a necessity for protecting America's agriculture, economy, and natural resources.